Hello everyone, so one quick tip. Do you ever have issues with damp in maybe terrace houses? One that I'm in now, so you'll have your staircase come up, you'll have bedroom left and bedroom right. So you'll see one bedroom behind me and one bedroom there. A lot of time, because these old houses have either been thinly upgraded, either been cavity filled, they might have double glazed window, there's not a lot of airflow around the building. One solution is this. Can you see that on the ceiling? It looks a bit like a light. It's not. Let me turn the camera around now and show you exactly what this is. It's a new air Drimaster. You can have them with the heating control, you can have them without, you can have them with a sensor on the wall, you can have them with a remote control. But basically, it's a constant airflow in the building, so it can be pushing down from out the loft space, it can be heat or cold. It's forcing air, let's just say from there, pushing down and around, so it's constantly airflow. Instead of having a lot of your air at night time, you breathe out many litres of air, which in your air it's got water and condensation. That's why sometimes you wake up and your double glazed winding units have got black on them, or they've got water, so you have to dry them because you've either got no trickle vents, and what you're doing is you're containing your heat, your air in your bedroom, especially when you close your doors. So one option, which we're finding great at the moment, is on renovations we are installing these. It's a new air Drimaster. So let me show you exactly what they are. Turn the camera around, let's have a look. So these are normally fitted top of the staircase on the ceiling, and I'll show you exactly what's behind them now. So we can take this cover off. Pretty simple, as you can imagine. It's a fan, it's a duct. The duct, you can't see, but it's constantly blowing a slow steady air into the property. It blows down, that means it'll be pushing down that way, it'll be pushing through this way, and it'll be pushing this way. It'll be allowing the airflow to constantly exchange. So that's definitely one tip. If you can install these at the moment, these are round about £450 including installation. So from looking from the bottom of the stairs up, you wouldn't really know what it was originally if you've never seen them before. So have a look up. You'll see normally they are fitted right in the very top. Oh, get my hand right in the very top. We can't in this instant because we've got a light and we've also got an interlinked hardwired smoke alarm. So it's just on this section here, but you would never know what that was unless I told you now or you've seen them before.